Nature has made some wonderful creations. Some are mysterious too. There are some plant species which function different from the plants we see from day-to-day life. Here are some of them: epiphytes, parasites, and carnivores. They evolved to use different organisms for their survival. Epiphytes are the plants which take help from the host plant to get nutrition and sunlight, but they do not harm the host plant at all. Examples of epiphytes are algae and orchid. Parasites completely depend on the host plant. They take all the nutrition of the host plant and slowly kills it. Stranglerfig and mistletoe are some parasites. Carnivores trap and consume small animals and insects and take the digested nutrition. Examples of carnivores are sundew and pitcher plant. Today I'm going to talk about carnivores. I have a pitcher plant and a Venus flytrap with me. Carnivorous plants do photosynthesis like other plants. Photosynthesis is the process of making food in plants. Carnivorous plants live in marshy areas. Marshy areas lack essential nutrition such as nitrogen and phosphorus. Nitrogen is needed for the biosynthesis of chlorophyll, which is needed for photosynthesis. So carnivorous plants supplement their nutrition-poor diet by trapping and consuming insects and small animals. There are two types of carnivorous plants. The plants which eat small animals are called carnivorous plants, and the plants which eat insects are called insectivorous plants, but we commonly call both of them carnivorous plants. There are many types of carnivorous plants. There are Venus flytrap, sundew, and pitcher plant, and bladderwort. Pitcher plant is one of the most famous carnivorous plants. Its scientific name is Nepenthes. There are 51 types of pitcher plants. There are big pitcher plants and small pitcher plants. Big pitcher plants can eat birds, rats, and frogs, while small pitcher plants eat insects. Pitcher plant is a climber. In order to trap insects, one of the pitcher plant's leaves evolved into a pitcher kind of shape. The upper part of the pitcher is narrow, while the down part is wide. We call this as the flower of the pitcher plant. There is digestive juice in the pitcher. Let me show you the digestive juice. We can see the digestive juice at the bottom of the pitcher. Insects attract to the smell of the pitcher plant. When the insect sits on the lip of the pitcher flower, it falls inside because the lip is very slippery. The insect can't crawl up because the walls are slippery too. Then the lid shuts. The insect drowns in the digestive juice, and then the plant absorbs the nutrition through the pitcher. Small pitcher plant's lid is always closed. When it matures, it opens. They are native to Madagascar, Southeast Asia, South Asia, and Australia. In Sri Lanka, they are called Bandura. They live for about 9 months.
Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap is another species of carnivorous plant. It is beautiful, but they are dangerous for small animals. The scientific name for Venus flytrap is Dionia muscipula. Venus flytrap catches insects by its jaw-shaped leaves. In the inner side of the jaw has sensitive hairs. Insects smell sweet nectar and land on the leaves. The insect's touch gives this plant a stimulation. The jaw snapping close when the insect is contacted for a few seconds on it. Let me show you how Venus flytrap stimulation works. It takes about a week to fully digest an insect. Venus flytrap is native to east coast of United States. Some big plants can eat frogs too. Sundews. Sundews are in the same family of Venus flytrap. It is also called Drosera. It uses the same tactics of Venus flytrap to catch insects. Sundews have flower-shaped colorful leaves. Those leaves have fringed hairs. An edge of each hair has a sticky liquid drop. When sunlight falls to these drops, the drops shine. Insects attract to the shining light and get trapped. The father of evolution theory, Charles Darwin, was also more interested on sundews than other plant species. Both the English name sundews and the Greek name Drosera mean dew of the sun. In Sri Lanka, sundews are called Kandulasa, which means eye with teardrop. Pither plant, Venus flytrap and sundews reproduce by seeds. All three plants can live even without catching insects. However, plants which absorb nutrition from insects grow healthy.